In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to seamlessly integrate your TikTok shop to your Shopify store. This process will allow shoppers to browse products and make purchases directly from your TikTok profile. We'll initiate the process by installing the TikTok for Shopify app on your Shopify admin. To do this, navigate from your Shopify's dashboard to the Settings menu. From Settings, you want to choose Apps and Sales Channels. As you find yourself on a new page, you will see an option to customize next to the Shopify App Store. Click on this to enter the App Store. Here, we want to conduct a search for TikTok. From the search results, select the app named TikTok for Shopify. To confirm installation, click on the button that says Add App. Having installed the appropriate application, the next crucial step is to connect your TikTok for Business account. Once the installation concludes, you will be automatically redirected to the TikTok Shop Setup page. Here, you need to click on the button that reads Connect TikTok Account. Now you have two options. If you have a pre-existing TikTok for Business account, log in using those credentials. If you don't, you'll need to create a new account. Both these operations can be executed from the login page. Once you've logged in, the system will display a list of permissions the app requires. Review these permissions carefully and click Authorize if you are comfortable granting these accesses. With your TikTok for Business now linked with the Shopify app, we proceed to configure and synchronize your store to the TikTok shop. To do this, select the TikTok shop account you wish to connect from the options presented. Once you've selected, you should verify your shop information by clicking the Verify button found in the Shop Information section. At this point, you may be prompted to undergo business verification. If asked, simply upload the required documents. Now, here's the exciting part: choosing the products you want to sync with your TikTok shop. You'll be able to select the products you wish to showcase on your TikTok shop feed. This offers a seamless shopping experience to your TikTok viewers. Up next, set up your shipping and return policies to align with TikTok's policies. Lastly, finish the onboarding steps by selecting the regions you plan on selling your products to. And just like that, your Shopify store will be fully integrated into your TikTok shop. By following these phases, you're one step closer to expanding your product visibility and driving sales on this promising new sales channel. Happy selling!